Meaning of harm.
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 Harm. Harm refers to any injury, damage, or negative impact caused to someone or something. It can be physical, emotional, psychological, or financial in nature and can arise from intentional or unintentional actions. The consequences of harm can be far-reaching, from immediate pain and suffering to long-term effects that can impact an individual's health, well-being, relationships, and quality of life. Harm can also have wider societal implications, such as contributing to inequality, injustice, and systemic problems. Therefore, it is important to prevent harm and address its effects wherever possible.